Viewers, a mosque in Himachal Pradesh has been in the eye of a storm over the last few weeks. Hindu groups and local residents have been alleging that the mosque in Sanjauli has been constructed illegally. A Himachal Pradesh minister, Anirudh Singh, also made a mention of the alleged land grab in the Himachal Assembly, after which massive protests were witnessed outside the mosque premises. Today, the issue is back in center stage, with Hindu groups protesting once more against this mosque. The protesters say the legal dispute has been dragging on for years and are demanding a speedy hearing in the case. They're also demanding a probe into the funding of the mosque and have asked for the mosque to be sealed until the hearing in the case is complete. After the protest call, prohibitory orders have been imposed in the Sanjauli area as a precautionary measure. So we have now joining us from this protest location, viewers, Amandeep, and he's been tracking this over the last week. This protest, Amandeep, has begun. We've seen some visuals of it. Take us through what's happening there right now. What is the demand and where does this matter stand in the courts?
Well, Ankit, they are demanding that they wanted to register their protest in Sanjauli outside the masjid. But due to imposition of section 163 of BNSS, the protest is not allowed and there was a heavy police deployment. And I request my camera person can kindly show you that we are just almost 400 to 500 meters away from that Sanjauli tunnel. And the people have gathered here. They are waiting their other associates to come here and join the protest, just because now they are gathering at different locations in a small groups, just because the police are trying to disperse them. Some of them has been detained, and see, they are starting starting settling down in the middle of the road, and their demand is they wanted to reach to the Sanjauli masjid to register their protest. The females are leading this protest. We will try to speak to them also. Ma'am, सेक्शन 163 लगा हुआ है, प्रशासन और पुलिस डिप्लॉयमेंट है, आपको आगे जाने की इजाजत नहीं है, आप जाएंगे फिर भी?
अभी हम टनल तक जाएंगे और 12 बजे के बाद हम आगे जाएंगे। बिल्कुल,
लेकिन बैरिकेड है, पुलिस प्रशासन
सारी जेलें भर देंगे, लेकिन हम जाएंगे। अपने आज हमारे हक की लड़ाई है ये, इसके लिए हम पीछे नहीं हटेंगे। आज एक मस्जिद बनी है, कल यहाँ पे हजारों मस्जिद हो जाएगी। हमारा सिर्फ एक विरोध है कि अवैध निर्माण रोका जाए। हमें किसी धर्म संप्रदाय से हमें कोई भेदभाव नहीं है, लेकिन अवैध निर्माण जो हो रहे हैं उसके लिए हमारा ये धरना प्रदर्शन है।
So in fact we will try to speak to more of the females. आपके और भी लोग आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे?
आ रहे हैं, हमारे अभी लोग आ रहे हैं, लेकिन पुलिस ने रास्ते रोक रखे हैं, गाड़ियाँ नहीं आने दे रहे। हमारे लोग पैदल आ रहे हैं, पहाड़ से ऊपर से
वहाँ पे रोक लिए गए हैं।
रोक लिए,
तो आप उन्हीं की वेट कर रहे हैं?
उन्हीं की वेट कर रहे हैं हम। जब तक वो नहीं आएंगे हम उनकी वेट करेंगे।
अच्छा,
हाँ,
उसके बाद आप लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे?
आगे बढ़ेंगे।
So see, Ankit, I request my camera person to kindly show you the flag, to kindly show you the tricolor, that they have also bring the tricolor to lodge their protest, and even this protest is escalating. The situation is getting tense and situation is very uncertain, just because the maximum number of people are reaching here to join their protest, and that is the reason they are sitting in the middle of the road and they are waiting their other people to join this protest, and then they will start their movement. So the entire escalation is to register their protest outside the masjid, demanding the demolition, the unauthorized structure of that masjid, so that at least this should not happen. And see, these are the visuals. We will try to speak to some more protesters also. Ma'am, आप लोग लोकल हैं यहाँ से?
जी बिल्कुल लोकल है।
आप लोग यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, अपने साथियों का वेट कर रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल जी, वेट कर रहे हैं। उनको, हमारे जो लोग हैं उनको
Some disturbance on the line there with Amandeep, but we've seen now how large this protest is. Let's go back to him. I believe we have him back.
लेकिन आगे तो प्रशासन ने बहुत इंतजाम किया हुआ है ना जाने के लिए।